Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you are looking for off-campus jobs, internships, fresher opportunities, then today's video is going to be very important for you. In this video, I'm going to share multiple walking drives and off-campus drives from different companies in Pune. So make sure you watch this video till the end because one of these opportunities might be the breakthrough you have been waiting for your career. And guys, a very important update based on the current hiring trend. Many companies are actively hiring right now, and after that, maybe till 15th July, recruitment activity may slow down, and several companies could put openings on hold or move into hiring freeze period due to quarterly planning and budget cycles. So don't wait for the perfect opportunity. Apply now while companies are actively accepting applications. And let's start. But before that, if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Now let's start with our first hiring, that is coming from Prominno Labs Private Limited. They are hiring for Node.js developer, UI developer, marketing fresher, software tester, and React.js developer. And freshers and experienced candidates are eligible for this. Any relevant degree and interview type is not mentioned. They have given their HR number, so if you have any doubt you can contact to them. And one more thing guys, whenever I share walking drive or off campus drives, I try to give HR contact numbers, so you should keep these numbers in your phone. And whenever they post their hirings, or you are actively looking for any opportunity, then used to contact with these HR. Those numbers you already have, try to make a bond with them. This is how you can get opportunities. Okay, so keep these numbers. And to apply you just have to fill this application form. Here you have to mention your basic details like name, contact number, email, and which position are you interested in. So they have given multiple positions. Choose whatever skills you have and fill these basic things and just submit. If you got shortlisted, they'll contact you. So next we have Thinkitive. They are hiring for the roles Java developer, Python developer, and React.js developer. And freshers and experienced candidates up to 2 years are eligible to apply. And to apply you just have to send your resume on this given HR email, and make sure that your resume is ATS friendly and properly formatted. And if your resume got shortlisted, they'll contact you. And this is one of the best company in Pune. So if you interested in any of these roles, then do must apply for this. Now next we have ASJ Transglobal LLP company hiring for the role of software developers and freshers, and 1 year experience candidates are eligible to participate. That means 2025 batch, 2026 batch students are eligible. And they have also given their contact numbers, so if you have any doubt then you can contact to them directly. And they have given their HR email, so you just have to send your resume on this given HR email. And if you got shortlisted, they'll contact you for further selection rounds. Okay, and next we have Visdin Solutions hiring for software developer. Fresher up to 1 year candidates are eligible. 2025 and 2026 BTech BE graduates are eligible. And job type will be hybrid. And to apply, you just have to send your resume on this given HR emails. And that's it. If you got shortlisted, they'll contact you. And I am saying again and again, make sure that your resume is ATS friendly and properly formatted. Now next we have NextAstra Technologies and hiring for junior AI/ML engineer, and freshers are eligible. 2 years experience candidates are eligible, and to apply you just have to send your resume on this given HR email. That means 2025 batch, 2024 batch and 2026 batch students are eligible for this junior AI/ML engineer role. Now next we have MG Consulting Services Private Limited hiring for international voice process. So in qualifications, any relevant degree candidates are eligible. You will have your interview on 15th June, and they have also given their contact number, their HR email. So you just have to send your resume, and if you want to contact them, you can contact by their mobile number, and they have also mentioned their location. And next we have Virajo Autosoft Private Limited hiring for junior system engineer, and freshers up to 2 years experience candidates are eligible. Any relevant degree and interview type will be 100% virtual. They have given their contact number and their HR emails as well. So if you are interested, you can send your resume on this given HR email, and if you have any doubt, you can contact to them. And remember that this is a virtual interview, so you can apply for this. Location will be Pune. And guys, I want to tell you something very honestly. Many students keep waiting. They think I'll apply tomorrow, I'll improve my resume first, and then opportunities disappear. And the students who get selected are not always the smartest candidates. You have to understand this thing. Most of the time, they are simply the candidates who apply consistently. And remember, one application can change your entire career. You only need one offer letter. So just watch this video and update your resume. Apply to every relevant role. Practice aptitude and interviews daily, and keep learning and stay consistent. And most importantly, don't reject yourself before the company will do. And don't skip these hirings. Must apply, and mostly companies are actively hiring right now, so that's why I strongly recommend that applying as early as possible rather than waiting. And the earlier you apply, the higher your chances of getting shortlisted will become. So that's why check your eligibility, check your interested role, and apply as early as you can. And if you like this video, then do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends, and also comment if you have any doubt related anything. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.